Hello guys, welcome to Chat Jamaican. You know that I am your lady Tania, and I am here now guys giving an update on Mr. Smith's house. Just a quick recap. Mr. Smith was a gentleman who was featured on the channel living into a box. So guys, I wasn't here yesterday, but I got the opportunity to visit today to see what it is that they had done. So Mr. Smith is here as well. Say hi, Mr. Smith.
Good morning, miss.
How are you?
Fine, miss.
Alright, so I'm just passing through to see the updates on the house.
Yes, ma'am.
And all of that, what has been happening. Alright?
Yes, miss.
So let me just go to the side around here. I see the boards are in. They are putting the boards. Oh, wow. This is looking lovely. Okay. So, guys, this is where they are. They still haven't put on the roof, but they are working extensively. This was where the back door, this is where the back door is, and you can see the fixtures for the bathroom and stuff. All of that had gone in, the pipes and everything for the bathroom. All right, so woo, Mr. Smith, can run the lizard there for me, please? See him look for me. Run him now. What? All right, I'm gone. Alright, so I'm gone now, right? Alright, so I'm going to step up through the back door. Yeah. Oh, this is the bathroom. This is looking so lovely. Look at that. So let me go around. So, oh, that's where the window will be. So the window will be there, and the bathroom is coming on lovely, guys. The shower is going, there's a pipe to turn on the shower, the pipe right there. And then the toilet, I think, is going to be right here. That's where the toilet is going to be. So yeah, it's coming on lovely, and it has a doorway, so you can close it off, right? So that is looking very nice. And then oh, so they're slowly pulling down the house, guys. So it's coming down slowly. And you can see Mr. Smith bed. You know, so I have to get a brand new bed. So yeah, man, it gone completely. So it's coming on nicely, and there you see where they're working. So I'm very proud of them, you know. Let me go through the front door. This will come down, not true? So this going knock down, and they're going to fix it up really nice. So let me go into the kitchen and the living room area. So this is looking lovely, neat. You know, his windows are there, and it's coming on fairly well the last time. Can't wait for them to get rid of that structure that is there. And then you have the veranda as usual, guys. So around here they have board up as well. So look at the board. You know, it's coming on fairly well. So the piece on the inside, remember guys, that they're going to hit it down, plus this little piece here will be removed. So right here will be removed, and this is where the house starts. This is where the room starts. So all of this section here will be destroyed and be thrown away. Okay, so let me just step away. So what is it that you're doing now? Oh, you're putting in the stones. You're putting into right here.
Yes, ma'am. I got an apartment.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So Mr. Smith is putting in some stones and all of that. So they're working. Oh, you clean up out this side.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is what it looks from this angle. This is how the house looks from this angle. So guys, you can see it's gonna be a nice little neat house that is comforting and relaxing, you know. So you're going to be less struggles and all of that. So it's going to look really well. So how are you liking it so far? You're grateful for what is happening. Yeah, so you clean up this area. So guys, let me just step up to the top to show you from a distance. This is how it looks from a distance. This is how it looks from a distance. So it is looking fairly well, and we're definitely proud of the way how it is looking right now. All right, definitely proud. I don't know if I've missed out anything. Let me just run back through. So far the bathroom is almost completed, because you have seen a lot of work putting in on the bathroom. The reason for the wall though for the bathroom is because the area is going to be wet, so it would be preferred for the wall to be wet than the boards. I'm gonna dress the inside, and then it will also be dressed as well, so that will work out. It look like one nice little passage right here, you know. Yeah, man, I'm going to take down all of those boards. They will be taken down. You don't have the time? Oh, that take a time. Yeah. Okay. Alright, so wait till it come then, and then you pull it down and see how it work out. Alright, but so far can't complain. I like what I'm seeing. And then he will be comfortable for a number of years staying into this structure, so we are just definitely proud so far. So guys, indeed I'm definitely proud of what I'm seeing, and I'm proud of Mr. Smith also. He's also grateful for, you know, the opportunity. He's grateful for everything, all the love and support that has been poured out to him in order to make this structure a success. And it's coming on fairly well, and he's definitely happy and elated to, you know, have been a part of this process. And you know, I know sometimes there are negativity that comes with it, but you know, it's all good. It's all good, everything going well, flowing smoothly and all of that. So we're just definitely grateful for how it is so far and the way how things have been going. So thanks to all the supporters, the sponsors, thank you so much. It is truly appreciated, and Mr. Smith is indeed blessed and grateful for this opportunity right here. So I'm happy that I can come give the update and all of that. Remember, if you have any queries, you can WhatsApp me at 876-919-2082, or you can also call, you can also email me at taniachatjamaican@gmail.com. That's TANIACHATJAMAICAN@gmail.com. all right guys, so I want to thank you for supporting and everything. In the meantime guys, thank you for watching Chat Jamaican. Little more. Bye.